In a world dominated by screens, our eyes are under constant siege. Blurred vision, dryness, and fatigue are becoming the new normal. But fear not, for nature has a remedy. Let's dive into the world of liquid gold, drinks that can shield and restore your vision. First up, we have the Emerald Elixir, spinach smoothie. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, these antioxidants are like sunglasses for your eyes, filtering harmful blue light. Next, we turn to the citrus sensation, orange juice. Rich in vitamin C, it's a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from oxidative stress. For those seeking a tropical escape, try a mango smoothie. Vitamin A, the superhero of eye health, is abundant in this creamy delight. Let's talk about the king of hydration, water. It keeps your eyes moist and prevents dryness, a common culprit behind eye strain. Now for a caffeine kick with a purpose, try green tea. Loaded with antioxidants, it helps fight inflammation and reduce eye fatigue. The humble carrot juice is a classic for a reason. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, supports good vision. For a touch of luxury, indulge in blueberry smoothie. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage. Looking for something exotic? Pomegranate juice is a rich source of antioxidants that can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. For a refreshing twist, try cucumber water. Hydration is key, and cucumber adds a soothing touch. Last but not least, coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that can help reduce eye dryness and fatigue. Remember, while these drinks can contribute to eye health, they should be part of a balanced diet and lifestyle. Consult your doctor for personalized advice. Cheers to healthy eyes.